Tomorrow for sure.
Like usual, slaving away. Currently 9:15 in the night. Been here for 10 hours. We're gonna start doing the spoon throttle body. We're just here, so we decided
Why not?
I'll do the throttle body. Take you guys along for the ride.
All right, boys, like Morris said, we're gonna go ahead and install the Spoon Sports throttle body that we took off of my old FK. We're gonna put it on while we have the car torn apart already. Yeah, and here's the part. Thanks, Lewis, for demonstrating it for us.
A-series dudes that do 70 mils, you know what it's about.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and install the Spoon Sports throttle body. Like I said, we do not, and I wanna correct, we do not need a tune.
Okay, how about this? I do not recommend you to do it. For all you comments out there.
Let me just reiterate that. Lewis wants to do it.
I wanna do it.
He wants to do it.
Morris
but I feel like
does
he's a
not
little frightened with the no tune part, so
I mean, last time we drove it fine with the FK, so.
it was actually flat with the
Yeah, but it didn't have the throttle body option, so it's like, what?
It's the same thing as what they offered on the better flight, whatever. But besides the point.
All right, Morris brought up a very, 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 very good point. We're gonna check that the connectors actually match to the. Ooh, you heard that little snap?
It's the same. Even the part number's the same. We already checked. I don't know why we're double checking.
Verified. It's always better to double check, Lewis.
We already did our due diligence. Vigilance.
Diligence? Diligence.
Whatever, man.
Calm it down a little bit, alright?
Digilence. Let's spell that one out.
Yeah, spell it actually. Let's hear this one.
Can you use it in a sentence?
No, he cannot. He cannot even pronounce it.
Give me an example. Can I help you?
You know what? We're already here. You might as well do the upgraded charge pads that we have up there from PRL, you know? Like, we're to the intercooler on right now too. What? Do the upgraded spoon radiator. You know, we're already here. You might as well just, yeah?
CTR 27322 lives on, boys. Lives on, boys.
We will give the actual reason on why the car was traded in, you know? If you know, you know.
Several bad puns later.
Okay. We have.
All right, Lewis went ahead and already removed the charge pipe that goes here. Unfortunately, PRL at this moment has not released their parts. We went ahead and removed that. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off the stock throttle body, which is pretty,
No, FK8s and Accords, they have to.
which is pretty simple. I remember when we did it to the FK8, it was pretty streamlined. The one thing you do want to do, which is what Lewis has right here, zoom in. What he has right here are these hose pinchers, which will help us lose minimal amount of radiator fluid because we've noticed that we don't have any extra. But I think we're okay. Look, the reservoir has quite a bit. Yeah.
We're only gonna lose a couple drops, honestly.
It's like riding a bike for this guy.
It's like I'm disarming a bomb.
The guy from the Hurt Locker. Just goes in there, clack, 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 removes stuff. And out.
Which one was the red one again?
Right. Okay. Whoa, hey, easy. Stock OEM throttle body's out.
Let's compare it.
Looks pretty damn clean. It's pretty damn new, to be honest with you. We just did some quick comparisons between the OEM throttle body and the Spoon Sports.
Alright guys, this is where things went a little south for us at the shop. We lost audio on some of the recordings that we did, so I'm just overlaying it. Here's the Spoon Sports throttle body. It's pretty much an OEM stock, right from Honda part. We matched it up with the FL5. Everything was the same. As you see right here, the bore on the intake side of the throttle body is 70 millimeters versus a 65 millimeter opening that comes stock on your FL5 or FK8. Again, the butterfly response opens up to 65 millimeters versus 62, and throttle response. Spoon throws in a direct Honda replacement for the throttle body gasket, which I do highly recommend you to switch it out. From this point on, I was just kind of, again, showing you guys the differences between the two throttle bodies. The one on the left is the Spoon Sports throttle body, which is, again, bored out to 70 millimeters. The one on the right is a 65 millimeter bore. And here is the Butterfly, which is the stock one, versus the Spoon one. And we didn't really notice any real differences. Honestly, the only thing, if you noticed there, was just an S on the Spoon one. Now, I'm showing here as well when Lewis replaced the gasket for the throttle body. As you see, it's got like a little notch where the top of the gasket goes. Just make sure you got that on right. Make sure you don't pinch it when you put it back in. Last thing you need is a leak, and you're gonna have to redo all this all over. And it's not that cumbersome, but it is annoying to have to go back in there after you've installed all this. And here, once again, we're just showing on installing back the 412s that hold the throttle body back into place. And after that, we make sure that we connect the throttle body sensors. There's 2 of them. Again, make sure you hear that click. Make sure everything's nice and tight, because the last thing you're gonna need is to, again, tear everything down and go back into the car.
All right, boys, we're all set here. We finished up the Spoon Sports throttle body. Like I said, it's super quick type of install if you know what you're doing. We had already done it to the FK8, so it was lickety split here for Lewis and the gang. We're all set. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching. Make sure you keep hitting that subscribe button. You have no idea how much we appreciate that. And also hit the notifications button so you know when we keep posting more videos for the FL5, the DE4, and any other cars that we got here at VCD. We'll catch you guys out on the track on the next one.
Catch you on the... Baby. Don't follow me. You won't be accepted.
Wow.